Welcome back to the channel. Butter here, and in this video we'll make my 70-year-old Plymouth paint back shiny just for under $5. How will I do it? I'll tell you in a second. My paint is very dull, as you see. I tried polishing it and it doesn't really work. And I tried sorry for the cars. I tried a couple different stuff to apply on it, and it just doesn't hold for some reason. Best thing to do probably would be to clear coat it, but that's kind of an expensive task and a time consuming task, so I'm going to try something I saw on the internet, and that is with boiled linseed oil. So I bought this whole can for around $10, so we'll see how much we have to use to hopefully bring this paint back shiny. And if you enjoy this car, please watch the last couple videos on it. The last bonus video we painted this new decal on it. So let's start. First things first, we have to take some B-roll shots. So first I cleaned off the car completely with some just whatever car cleaner. So what we'll do next is take our boiled linseed oil and we will just wet in the rack, and then we can start applying it. I'll just do it like this because I'm one-handed. Doesn't matter if it's some on the paint already, it has to go there anyway. So the rack is a little soaked in linseed oil. I prefer to do a light coat first, just so it can dry up. I'll show you how to do one panel, and then the rest I'll try to do on time lapse. So let's do the hood. I'm aware it might dull out, but I mean, you can't argue for this if you compare this to that. And it's pretty hot now, so I'm hoping it will dry up rather fast. Done. That took me about 15 minutes maybe to do the whole car, and afterwards I took a dry rack and I just wiped it off, just so there's no excessive oil on the car, because I wanted to let it dry. Sorry again for the car. I wanted to let it dry as good as possible, so it's not as sticky. And now it has been an hour and it's still shiny, and it's not like sticky, so that's what you get. And let's see how much oil we used. barely anything, so I don't know how you would quote that price wise. I would say $1 to $2 probably, and a rack which I just have laying around from old clothes, so I'm sure everybody does that. But let me know what you think about this little trick. I'm sure it has been done a lot, but most of the time I see they dilute it with turpentine or mineral spirits, and apparently it makes the paint more dull, and I wanted a more shiny paint, and I think we succeeded. The paint was very bad, very dull, and now we will see how long this lasts. I will give an update in a couple weeks / months. We'll see if it gets dull and how fast it gets dull. Most of YouTubers which do this trick just show it after an hour and that's it, and then they don't show any progress anymore in the future, what it looks like. So I will for sure post another video or give a quick update in a couple weeks / months about how this trick has worked. But anyway, even if you have to redo it every month or two, $1 to $2 brings your paint back like this. Hell beats a full clear coat paint job, so I'm pretty happy with it. So I think that will be it for this video. Make sure to give old pristine Christine some love. That's the name now of the car. And if you want to see that video of us painting that on the quarter panel, it's together with Mrs. Putter, so you have some pleasure for the eye. And yeah, it's on the Beeple Automotive channel. But anyway, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, give a like, and put a comment about what you think, how we did with this car. Thank you for watching. Putter out. Bye.